we decided to replace the IC sensor to a brand new one. So this is a brand new one, and this is the box for it. Can't tell you if it has a number. Pretty much you can go with this number or you can go with that number. So that's the air control valve, and we decided to put a brand new one in there. Basically all it is just one screw that's holding there right there. Alright, so you're gonna have to undo your carburetor as far as undo it, and so you can actually have space in between the just one little screw right here, and that's the tools for it. Looks like the Allen screwdriver or whatever that is. So once you take that out, then you work this out. Just pry it, turn it and pull, turn it and pull. Or if you get to a point where you can't take it out, you just get a flat screwdriver, insert it where you see that little opening somewhere down there, and then just pry it real nice. Actually, it's right here. Just pry it real nice. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The screwdriver right there. Just gently pry it real nice, and eventually it can come out. Just be careful you don't damage the surface. That's the reason why you have to do it very careful. So that's the old one, and you can match the old one with the new one. Make sure it looks alike, especially for the connection. Make sure they look the same. And before you go ahead and insert or install the new one, just clean the inside valve and making sure it's clean. I don't suggest you to spray anything in there. Just get a rag, just like I'm doing, and get your fingers in there and clean it. So the fact that you're installing a new one, so I don't suggest you to spray anything in there as far as cleaning product. Just get a dry clean rag and do it. So as far as our RPM, it's not bad, our RPM over here. So of course, cold crank, your RPM would actually look similar to that.